friends, so this is an activity that you can do at home. It's a homemade recycled jigsaw. So you'll need a cereal box or something similar, a ruler, a marker and some scissors. So what you're going to do is you are going to cut out the front of your cereal box. All the way around the edge. And the other side. Don't worry at this stage if it's not too neat, you can trim it up afterwards. Okay, so now we have our front. I'm just going to cut the flap off the top. This is great because it's a great way of recycling, but it's also a great thing for a recognition for children, recognizing words and things that they see in their everyday, day-to-day life. So we're going to turn it over, get our marker. So I'm going to just randomly make some straight lines. There. Bear with me a sec. And then okay. And the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to cut out, following our lines, our pieces. For our jigsaw puzzle. Nearly done. And the last bit. And so when we turn our pieces over, we have our puzzle. So as you can see, we can put it together and reconstruct our cereal bowl. And there we have it. Multigrain Cheerios. And you can do this with anything you have lying around at home. It's great fun for the kids because it's things they see every day in their day-to-day life. Great for letter recognition. And you can ask general questions. There's numbers on here, words, colours. So there's lots of things you can talk about. Hope you have fun making your homemade recycle puzzles. Bye!